Now we're going to add a little bit more texture to our rock planet. As we can see here, we've got a little bit of atmosphere, a little bit of planet. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this rock planet layer. We're going to grab it and we're going to pull it down here and just make a copy of it like so. And it's already been done. Or it did it completely, so let's get rid of that extra layer I have going on there. We're going to hit yes, and layer 1, we're going to go ahead and delete that. Oops, delete that, yep, delete that, yep. Okay, now on this one here, what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead, we're going to emboss this rock planet layer. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down to, let's see, let's come down to stylize and emboss. There we go. We see we've kind of got it set to where we need to be. The highlights look like they're almost in the right spot. Let's twirl them around a little bit to check. Yeah, because if we do it that way, the highlights are on the opposite side. So I move it back over to where the highlights are supposed to be at. Click it down a little bit. There we go, something like that. That looks good. We're going to do a height of 1 pixel and a 500% amount. We're going to hit OK. Now that we've got that done, what we're going to do is we're going to grab this and we're going to copy it one more time. Oops, Control Z. Let's not do layer order. Let's just grab this guy and escape out of that. This program's being really janky today. Grab it and we'll just pull it down and copy. There we go. Rock Planet 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to name one of these highlights. We're going to name this one highlights. Let's just go highlights. There we go. We hit enter. And we're going to name the other one shadows. Click on it like here. Get out of that, escape. There we go. And shadows. And we're going to pause here for the moment. And when we come back, we will show you what these are going to be used for.